Hey everyone, I talk to so many people who tell me the same thing. I know LinkedIn is important, but I don't really use it the way that I should. Some people post once in a blue moon, some just scroll quietly without ever engaging, and a lot still think of it mainly as a place to find jobs. And honestly, I totally get it, because for a long time that's exactly what LinkedIn was for. But it's completely changed now. It's no longer just an online resume, it's become this dynamic space where real conversations are happening every single day. People are sharing ideas, asking questions, and showing up because they're actively looking for solutions to their problems. And that's where the opportunity is for you. Because when you show up and share content that's helpful or interesting, you start building trust with the people who matter. And once that trust builds, something amazing happens. Leads start coming your way naturally, with no pushy sales tactics, no cold outreach, just the right people finding you. And that's exactly what I want to help you do. In this course, I'm going to show you how to post on LinkedIn in a way that grabs attention, builds your brand's visibility, and attracts the kind of leads you actually want. And not just that, I'll also give you templates, formulas, and real examples you can plug your own ideas into. So if you're interested in this topic and looking to generate leads whilst building your brand, let's get started.